Here is a video tutorial about the usage of the console features. First, the favorite positioning feature allows you to quickly monitor specific preset angle, a view without the need to use the console. You can click the camera live feed to enter the camera operation page. Click the console tab, and now you can start to set up your favorite positions. Control the console to an area and click on the favorites icon in the upper right corner to finish a favorite position. You can add up to for favorite positions. After that, you can click the position tab and choose a favorite position to quickly monitor the area. Second, the intelligent tracking feature allows the camera to follow movement and record when a person or pet moves. So, how to turn on this feature? Now, you can click Camera Settings button on the device's page. Click the Advanced Settings option and then turn Intelligent Tracking on. Now, you can enjoy this feature.